In this opening, you can check and mate your opponent in just 6 moves. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's go. Pawn to e4, pawn to d5, knight f3. They captures our pawn. Knight e5. They are attacking our knight with their pawn. We gives the check with the queen. They covers the check with the pawn. Instead of protecting this queen, we played bishop to c4. They captures our queen. We gives the check and mate. I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe for more videos.